How to split screen on laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. In order to split your screen on laptop, come below at the search bar and type in settings. Open your settings. On your left hand side, you will be able to see a find the settings option. Here type in multitasking. Just as you do so, you will see multitasking settings. Open it. At the first option, you will see snap windows. You have to make sure you have turned it on. And once you do so, click onto this box of yours and you will see various split screens. For instance, you can either split your screen in 2 equal parts or you can do 3 by 1. For instance, I'm going to go ahead and select the first option. If you tap onto it, you can see that in my one window I have settings open, in my another window I have Google Chrome open, and these are fully accessible, meaning you can use your options from here as well, and you can also use your screen on here as well. If you would like to come back onto your initial page, you will see this box here, click onto it, and this will maximize your current screen. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.